so good. She's gonna do it. This is already mine.
Felicity.
And so is this.
It's already hers.
No, that's mine.
Did you get the look on her face when she did that, Mommy?
Oh, yeah.
That was cute.
What's that?
I don't know.
What's it say?
I don't know.
What's it say? Come here. No,
Hey.
no, no. What's this say?
I don't know. See?
Sound it out.
Monkeys.
Sea monkeys.
Sea monkeys.
They actually hatch and they grow and you watch
A
it. Yay!
You don't like that, do you?
Oh.
I think we need to take it back. Stop hitting me.
You
That's
happy?
a turtle,
or what?
huh?
Now I'm gonna take this tiny.
Hey, wait a minute here. I got.
Wait a sec.
Good, that means she doesn't get a pillow pet for Christmas. And I do.
I gotta get it.
You have no clue what you're going to get for
Great.
Christmas.
Just a minute. Let me get
If
it all
anything.
lined up.
Video taping me. I got something for you.
Oh, super.
That's a turtle, isn't it?
Is that a turtle?
Yes, it's a turtle with a horn.
It's a horned turtle.
It's a hurdle.
Hey, I think you got one there.
Yay!
What is it?
Makeup.
Lip gloss.
See this big cheese. It's not big. No!
Hey,
I got clothes for my birthday.
you got a pair of pants. Hey, look at them.
A tissue?
Look at them. Look at them. They're cool.
Hey, those are jeans. Great.
Cool. Butterfly. Now
look
she's
at
Hey, you know this Hannity
Be
program.
careful with
Where
that.
he always shows up. He's got on a
Yay!
That is from Grandma.
dark blue
I
coat,
got a
and white
ballerina.
shirt, and a tie. Well, he moved out from under the table once. I could see he's wearing jeans.
Oh, and this. OMG. No, it's not all. You forgot this. This. Open it.
Hey, stop.
Can you read it?
What's it say? Yeah, you
Happy
can.
birthday, Haley.
Good job.
Yeah, but it looks pretty.
Who's it from? Well, why don't you say thank you?
Thank you. What's in here?
Hi, Raven. Say hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Another cupcake.
I don't think she likes
Can
it.
I have another cupcake? See what it is.
Yeah.
No,
No, you
wait
can't
till
open that. Wait till we get
till
home for that.
This is interesting. All of my presents. That's already mine. That's already mine. That's already mine. You're
First
welcome.
10 times.
What,
Calm
you sound
down.
like your grandmother. That's mine.
Me? Hey, now, wait a minute.
Great grandmother.
Great grandmother.
Thank you.
Calm down.
Now can I have another cupcake?
Yes.
Can you take